Under money laundering regulations, you can accept what is known as third-party due diligence. However, there's a big caveat with that. You have to have checked that their due diligence levels meet minimum standards. Now, the argument can be made that if you don't know what minimum standards are, even if you ask the question, you won't know if they meet them. And also, estate agents probably won't respond to you. I can tell you that on a latest report, they estimate that 66% of high street estate agents breach money laundering regulations on a day-to-day basis. If the estate agent has the seller, it's easy for you to do a level of due diligence, and this is what we do. Even if you can't view directly with the seller, you can ask the estate agent for the name of the owner. You can then go to Land Registry and download the title register. If the name on the title register matches the name that you've been given, hunky-dory. If it doesn't, you need to start asking more questions and do your own due diligence. Because if you fail and your buyer buys it and there's some dodgy dealing going on, you will be held equally responsible. Because although you can rely on third-party checks, if they're poor or they don't meet minimum standards or something that slips through, you would still be held responsible. So even if there's an estate agent involved or another sourcing agent or a lettings agent, always carry out the level of due diligence that you can. There's an automatic defence in the anti-money laundering money laundering regulations, whereby if you can show that you've done all that you can, it's an automatic defence even if something goes wrong. So don't worry about maybe, should I check here? Where else can I check? What else can I do? If you've checked Land Registry, if you've used electronic checks, if you've asked all of the right questions and your risk assessments and your controls and your procedures are in place, you will be absolutely fine. They do not expect you to put thumb screws on people and torture them.